Professional curtain installation by Atlantis Curtains in Dubai. Welcome to Atlantis Curtains, your premier destination for top-quality curtains in Dubai. Today we'll take you through a journey of a complete curtain installation in a modern commercial space. The curtain installation team arrives at the commercial site, unloading tools and materials. Our expert team begins by arriving on site, equipped with all necessary tools and premium materials to ensure a seamless installation. Team members measure windows and assess the space. Assessment is conducted to take precise measurements and plan the installation process meticulously. Our team carefully hangs the curtains, adjusting pleats and lengths to achieve a flawless drape that enhances the room's aesthetics. Final adjustments and quality check. The transformation is complete. Elegant curtains that not only provide privacy but also elevate the ambiance of the commercial space. Atlantis Curtains for professional and efficient curtain installations in Dubai.